There will be no booster shots for the majority of the U.S. population. That's the decision today by an FDA advisory committee. Good evening. Thanks for joining us at 11. Good to see you. I'm Andrew Kinsey. Yolanda has a night off today. Those booster shots were only approved for people 65 and older. New tonight, 10 TV's Olivia Eugenio talked to two doctors about what this means for you.
The initial question, should the Pfizer booster shot be approved for anyone 16 and up 6 months after their second dose? In a 16-2 vote, that question was rejected by an advisory panel for the FDA.
There is consideration for not having enough safety information for giving additional doses to younger individuals.
What wasn't clear, and this is what many of us have been arguing, is that whether that actually results in an incremental benefit.
Dr. Carlos Malvestuto specializes in infectious diseases at OSU's Wexner Medical Center. He says less than 2% of COVID admissions are those who are vaccinated. So he says vaccines are clearly still working. But the FDA advisory panel did vote to give the booster to people over the age of 65 and those at high risk. That vote was unanimous.
Vaccines don't work as well in elderly people.
They tend to mount a less robust immune response. So their antibody titers tend to be lower even from the get-go, and then they will likely wane faster in general.
It's important to remember that this was just an FDA advisory panel. The full FDA will have to decide whether to approve the third dose, and the CDC is set to weigh in next week. Olivia Eugenio, 10 TV News.
It's important to note here, booster shots are already approved for people who are immunocompromised.